So the Pretoria High Court has once again heard that Bongani Ntanzi's second confession was born out of talks between his alleged lawyer and prosecutors in the Meyiwa case. This was revealed by lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Gininda, who has been under cross-examination. The second accused is alleged to have deposed 2 confession statements, but he denied making them voluntarily, claiming he was assaulted. Ntanzi and 4 others are on trial for the 2014 murder of soccer star Senzo Meyiwa. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi reports.
Brigadier Bongani Gininda tells the court why there was a need for a second confession statement.
What was the need for you to obtain a second confession from the magistrate?
Well, my lord, I think the court will recall that I said on the 23rd of June, the day before, the accused was with his attorney, Mr. Mjiako. There was a discussion as to who are the state representatives insofar as the NPA is concerned. Advocate Baloyi and the other 2 advocates were mentioned. Out of those discussions, because it was clear, my lord, at that stage, that accused too was willing to work with the state. And that was the process that was followed, that then it gave rise to the existence of Exhibit JJ. Those discussions that started then and moved on even after the appearance until, they fell off, my lord.
Ntanzi denied ever making this confession statement freely and voluntarily, but the court ruled it was obtained lawfully. He also denied being part of Meyiwa's murder, or that he knew accused 3, 4 and 5 before they made their first court appearance in October 2020.
Accused number 2 will deny as well that he had a friend that is called Mthokoziseni. And we now know, even from these proceedings, that the person that is known as Mthokoziseni, it's Mapisa, but in the statement it says, I was with I was called by Mthokoziseni, who was with Mapisa.
My lord, the statement was taken by Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu, and that was the interaction. So this is what is contained in the discussion between him and Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu. And I do not have evidence, my lord, to say this person, this Mthokoziseni, does not exist, because no ID number or phone number were given.
So my question, as a lead IO, based on this statement and the mentioning of the name Mthokoziseni and Mapisa, did you then follow up on that evidence for investigative purposes to find out who these persons were that were mentioned there?
Yes, I did, my lord. I did not find, as I said, there's no ID number or phone number that can bring closer. There's not even a surname. So I did follow up, and Mapisa is accused for, as I indicated, that is a name that is associated with the person being mentioned. Mthokoziseni is the one that I could associate. I could not associate with anyone, my lord, as being a friend.
He also denies that he knows Kelly Khumalo or who ordered the alleged hit.
Accused number 2 will deny that he personally knows Ms. Kelly Khumalo and does not know who ordered or who paid for the killing. If it was a contractual killing, if it was a robbery gone bad, he does not know any of these details.
Well, my lord, I'll agree with the second point before the last, which says he personally does not know Ms. Kelly Khumalo, because that's what contained in his statement. He does say he doesn't know her, but he is aware, according to this exhibit, that the contractual order of the killing of the deceased came from Ms. Kelly Khumalo. So to say he doesn't know her, I don't have evidence that proves that he knows her, so I agree with that part. But that this was not a contractual killing ordered by Ms. Kelly Khumalo, where he played a part. That part is not true, madam.
Gininda will be available again on Thursday for further cross-examination as he's writing exams. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.